Good morning in Jains. Today we are going to start our English LC today. So this is your revisional assignment based on your class syllabus, and this is related with your English grammar portion. Okay, before we starting the LC work, I am going to discuss with the few topics you have learned in your previous class about the phonic sound. Now I'm going to just revise with the sound of C. C as in cell. Look at here, student. Cell. C-E-L. What is the sound of C is here is sa. C says sa. Sa. Cell. Okay. C as in cell. Cell. C says sa. Okay. C says sa. Now C as in can. C-A-N, can. Here the C sound is ka. C sound is ka. Can. C-A-N, can. In cell the sound of C is different, and in can the sound of C is different. In cell the sound of C is sa, starting with sa, and in can the sound of C is ka. Okay, now have you understand about this? What is the sound? What are the difference between the sound in cell and can? Now we are going to do the revisional assignment. Number 1. Read the words and write the sound of C and it as can or cell. Number 1. Canteen. Canteen. What the sound of C is here? It is related with can or cell. Can. So we are going to write here can. I'm going to use the sketch pen. 1 second, student. Can. Now citrus. C-I-T-R-U-S. Citrus. What is the sound of C is here? It is related with cell or can. Citrus. Cell. C-E-double-L. Ceremony. Ceremony. It is related with cell. Carpet. It is related with can. So we are going to write here can. Now number 2. Name the pictures. Also write the sound of C below it. You have to first name the pictures and write the sound of C as in can or cell. So this is the picture of cell phone. Yes, cell phone. C-E-L-L-P-H-O-N-E. Cell phone. Cell phone is related with the sound of cell. This is cock. Related with the sound of can. Cloud. Related with the sound of can. Cylinder. Related with the sound of cell. So have you understand it about the sound of C as in can or cell? Good. Now move to the next one. Number 2. Fill in the blanks with is, am, are. Is, am, are. All you know, students, when we are going to use the is, am or are, with the singular we are always use is. with I, sometimes with I, sometimes what? With I we use am, and with the plural one we use are. Okay, now number 1, the postman. Postman is singular or plural? Is singular na, so we are going to use what? Is or are? Is. Very good. I dash a student. I am a student. The stars dash shining in the sky. The stars are is related with plural, so we are going to use are. Very good. My father dash is in Delhi today. My father is singular or plural? Singular, then we are going to use is. Very good. They dash playing badminton. What? They is related with plural, so we are going to use are. Now 3, fill in the blanks using a or n. Have you learned about the article now? When we use a or when we use n? With the consonant words letter we use a, and with the vowels letters we use n. So he is dash engineer. An engineer. Good. Dash apple is very sweet. And I want dash piece of cake. Consonant na, so we use a. There is dash small garden behind the house. Consonant, so we are going to use a. So this is your page number 2. Today we are only discuss one page and rest of the page we are going to discuss in our next class. You have to note down all this in your rough copy. If you don't have your LC, if you have your LC, then solve in your LC. Okay.